5 unexpected tips for a smoother body from the body skin experts. Let's get into it. Guys, rough elbows are solvable. Use buffing bar a few times weekly in the shower on any rough and bumpy bits on the body, like your elbows, but also your butt, arms, legs, and heels. Smoothing solution is perfect for shaving. Use it daily on any frequently shaved areas like the leg, neck, and chest. Also your bikini line to release and prevent pesky ingrown hairs, aid in razor bumps, and maintain prolonged silky skin results. All of my acne-prone friends, listen up. Speed Soak is your go-to lotion if you don't want to experience any type of clogged pores. So slather it all over, worry-free. What a lot of people don't know is that AHA, which is one of the hero ingredients in smoothing solution, is great to keep odor at bay. So use this on your armpits. You won't regret it. Let's end on a personal favorite, because who doesn't love a good self-tan? If you self-tan, use buffing bar as a magic eraser tool on any overdone nooks and crannies, typically your hands, wrists, knees, and ankles, and you'll keep that tan nice and even. That's it from the Body Skin Experts. Give these tips a go using the Soft Services Discovery Set, exclusively available at Sephora.